Let's learn how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. Now, without any delay, let us start by opening our Instagram application. To recover deleted chats, the only way is to download your information, and therefore you will download every chat with everyone you had since the creation of your account. So we will have to download some of our information, and we will do that by going on our profile, then click on 3 horizontal lines, and it will open settings and activity. Just click on this account center on your account section, and now you will have to click on your information and permissions. This will open few options. You will have to click on download your information and click download or transfer information. Select the account you want to recover deleted chats from. Click on next and click now on some of your information because you want to download only messages. Now you will see a lot of options, different options here. Just select messages and click on next. Now what do you want to do with your information? Download it to device. And now here you can check a date range of messages you want to download. You can set all time if you want. You can select format, but that's not something important. Media quality is still not important. Now you'll have to click on create files and your files will be created. You'll have to wait 2 or 3 hours and Instagram will send you a package with every message you had since the creation of your account if you selected that date range. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.